Say goodbye to your old mop and vacuum. The future of cleaning is here. Introducing the Shark Vacuum Mop. It's your ultimate cleaning buddy that vacuums and mops at the same time. With powerful suction, it effortlessly lifts dirt, dust and debris, leaving your floors sparkling clean. And the best part, it mops away messes in one swift motion. No more dragging out multiple tools for a deep clean. Perfect for quick, efficient cleaning, the Shark Vacuum Mop is designed to tackle everyday messes with ease. From kitchen spills to pet hair, it handles it all. Get your home shining in no time. So why wait? Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Shark Vacuum Mop today.